Hello, creative friends. This is Joy. So this is my little journal that I created for Dephemerember. This is my first time doing it this year, and I just created this out of a paper bag and some scrapbook paper that I had in my stash. So at the front here, I have a pocket and a little folder that has the prompt list in it. And I did not actually add any additional prompts to it this year. I just followed the prompts that were provided. And so that's what I did for this journal. And it's not in any particular order, but here I put friendship bracelet, and that's the little dangle that I created for this journal. And I have a video showing how I did that. And here in the first page, I have the salvage birds, and I have it in a pocket. This page is a butterfly and three torn things, which is the fabric, the washi tape, and the flower. And then here I have selfie in a bubble, and it's like a little, you know, bubble there with some sequence, and then clocks and wings. And then here is Halloween meets Christmas, which I thought was a fun page to do. Kintsugi houses, which these are houses that I had created previously and used for this journal. Magical creatures, mushroom robots. Again, the robots were something I created previously and used them here. Plaid and polka dots, and here I did some hand sewing and added some fabric and buttons and things to it. Here was the nature's treasure, and I created these cards with dried flowers that I had, and so the butterfly is just a sticker, and so that's what these are. The pockets are vellum, and then on the front of the vellum pockets, I added stickers from my stash. And so, yeah, these cards were really fun to create. And then the leaves were just cut out from the printables that were provided this year for the Dephemerember. And I just cut them out, was going to use them on the page, but ended up just sticking them in the pocket. These are my recycled fairies. I added wings to these fairies. Here's my vintage meets modern. The phone is a painting I did, and then of course I drew the cell phone. And then forgotten snacks, this big gold one pocket that I made is actually a chocolate orange, and then inside was some of the Dove chocolate that I put onto a card. On this page for a spaghetti box window, I didn't have a spaghetti box, so I just used an envelope, and then I used the scratch off and wrote on the back about me and my husband trying to win the lottery, which has not happened. Not sure it's going to. The next page is me and my crush, and so of course, this here is a dedication to Frida. And then on the last page is the door from the past, and it's just got a picture of me, my daughter, my mom, and my grandmother. And then inside the pocket, I put in here a picture of Effie, and if I can get it open here, I was struggling because I just used some embroidery floss, and the threads were separating and getting knotted up. So I ended up fixing that. So anyway, I went ahead and took one of the printouts of Effie to put in here, and I'm again struggling trying to get it unknotted and undone. So I've got Effie, I've got the two poems in here, and then I got Effie's letter. So I made this little folder from one of the printables and put that into the pocket to kind of keep it all together. And to remedy my issue with the embroidery floss getting knotted up, I ended up putting some glue stick, running glue stick across the whole embroidery floss so that the different strands would get glued together. and then set it aside to dry. And so then that actually helped remedy that issue. And in any case, that did remedy the issue. So I really thank you for stopping by and watching. And I hope that you like my little Dephemerember pages and that you'll stop by again to see any of my future videos that I will be creating. Thank you so much for stopping, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.